Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a Easy Trading channel, and this is my first video in English language because some friends asked me if it's possible to have the same video of Italian language and also in English language. I will try. I'm so sorry for my English. I hope you can understand me. If there is any kind of question, please write to me. And we can start speaking about Bitcoin. In the weekend, Bitcoin fell 7% of this price from 10,400 and 10,200. Then he broke this kind of green line. This is a support line, really not so strong. And then he has just broke the 9,700 dollars. So in this kind of area we have another support. This is in the red line. This red line. This is a really strong support, but I'm not sure that it can resist again. So if Bitcoin fell again, we can see the price at 9,300, and then it's possible to have also 8,500. By the way, if we go to the daily chart, so we are on a 4-hour chart before, you can see that I drew this kind on a green line, a trending line, where Bitcoin has insisted and bounced many times, 1, 2, and 3. And so we can expect that the price go up again, and then maybe it can reach to try to break this kind of resistance. This is a very strong resistance from September 2019. We'll see in the next day. My vision for Bitcoin is that Bitcoin can reach maybe also 12,000 or 20,000. I don't know, but I hope the price could be again very up. We'll see. So we can change now the stock, and we pass to the natural gas. Natural gas, you see, now we are in the very low price that we have in the same price in the 2016, in the 4 years ago. This is very strange, and I drew this kind of cycle, as you've seen in the green, starting from the 2012, and every 4 years the price has the same road, so the same way. And what we can expect for the future, I don't know, maybe if the price could be reached again $3 or so on, but I think the price could be reached $2.8 in the next month, maybe next year. It's impossible to have a prediction about it because we are a trader. I'm a trader. I don't know. I can't do some kind of prediction. I can only study the graph. Can only study the statistics and the fundamentals of the stocks. And so I can imagine that from this point the gas could be reached some high price. But we'll see in the next day and in the next month. I have some open position on gas, and but by using ETF without any leverage, and so I can take this position for years. I am not worried about this kind of price, and we'll see in the next day if the gas grow or next week. It maybe is better next week or next month. Yeah. So now we take a look at the oil. We are on WTI, Texas crude oil. Okay, this is the price of the oil in this kind of moment. So the coronavirus pushed the price very low until $49. Sorry, so $49, and then the price touched 1 and 2 and 3, 4 times the $49, and then he bounced to 15, and then now it is over 52. It is very interesting because I hope the price, if the coronavirus degraded its power, the price could be reached again, and maybe I'm waiting the price until $55 in the next weeks. So it is very hard, but in this moment, but I have an open position from $51.90, and then I hope the price can reach this kind of line and this kind of area. So we also can see why I suppose this one, because if we use Fibonacci retracement using this kind of tools, this one, okay, I traced the line from here, from the high spike and from the low price, and you can see that we are this kind of rectangle on from 3.82 and 5.45. Generally, this kind of area is possible. Where we are a possibility to have the bounce from the low price, and statistically it works. So we can see. I think OPEC will cut the production, and so the price come to the either too high. Maybe not 55, but 53 or 54 in the next weeks is very possible. We'll see. About gold, nothing to see. The gold has the same price, has a various movement. So very sinusoidal movement from the 3, 4, 5 weeks, and so in this kind of moment I don't have any kind of position open, and I'm just waiting that the price maybe will be near to this kind of level at 1,600, and then maybe I will open a short position, but we'll see. I'm not sure about it. So another kind of stock, FIAT, FCA. It's very interesting because FIAT is involved with a partnership with Renault, and so in this kind of moment FIAT has met this MMA, it's a 200 MMA, and this is very interesting because the automatic algorithms of trading, every time meet this kind of line they change their moods, and many times try to be under this kind of line, or upper if they are bounced on. So in the past day, as you see, the FCA has touched the MMA 200 many times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can see with the 4-hour chart. So this is the line change, obviously, because the line is calculated with the average of the candles of 200 past period, and in the 4 hours the values is very different about the daily hours. But you can see this is a great level. This is a resistance where FIAT is trying to jump over. I think FIAT could reach we come back on daily. Okay, I think FIAT could reach again this kind of area at 13.5, because this is a very strong resistance, and I can show you with the kind of instrument or tools. Sorry, sorry for my English, really. This is a tools about the volume. We can draw from here to here, And then this is red line is a POC, price of control, where the seller are taking control of the market. Okay, and then if we trace this kind of line until here, you can see the POC don't change. And this is, we can draw about this kind of rectangle, and we can draw, so okay, we change the color because this is a resistance, and change the color in red. Perfect. Okay, it works. Perfect. So and then this is a new resistance, a very strong resistance from the price, also this one. And if the price will break this kind of price, I think the price could be reach this kind of level. So we try to draw this price volume here, and you can see on $12 we have the support. So I hope this video is very useful for you, and sorry again for my English. If you are interested in other videos, please let me know. Subscribe my channel, and leave me some comment, click on like, and as I always say to my follower on eToro, stay tuned and finger crossed. Thank you so much, and see you next time.